The Arduino UNO has been a popular and reliable microcontroller board for makers, hobbyists, and professionals alike. With each iteration, the Arduino team consistently strives to improve upon its predecessors by addressing user feedback, integrating new technologies, and enhancing overall performance. In this video, we'll explore the exciting new features and improvements that the Arduino UNO R4 brings to the table. The Arduino UNO R4 comes equipped with a more powerful microcontroller, offering increased processing speed and capabilities. It now uses our A4 M132 bits microprocessor from Renesas with ESP3 to S3 from Espressif. The R4 version provides 156 kilobytes of flash memory, nearly doubling the storage capacity from earlier models. With 32 kilobytes of SRAM, it facilitates handling of larger data sets. The board now features a USB Type-C port, ensuring a more reliable and user-friendly experience. The new power management system enhances energy efficiency. One of the most exciting additions is the integration of built-in wireless connectivity, enabling easier communication with other devices. With 26 GPIO pins, the UNO R4 allows for more complex electronic projects. In conclusion, the Arduino UNO R4 represents a significant step forward, empowering makers with more efficiency and creativity. Whether you're an Arduino enthusiast or a newcomer, the UNO R4 is a compelling choice for your next project. Happy tinkering!